Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. Can you ace this logic quiz? Ready? Let's go! Level 1. Easy. Here's the first one. Pick the odd one out. Salad. It's the only healthy food. This is a tricky one. How many times can you subtract 5 from 65? Only once. After that, you will subtract from 60. Number 3. Pick the odd one out. Fox. Unlike the others, it's not a farm animal. Number 4. What's the next number in the series? $55. Simple, wasn't it? Enjoying the quiz? Share with friends and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Number 5. Pick the odd one out. June. It's the only month that has 30 days. Number 6. Mr. Smith has 3 daughters. All 3 daughters have 2 brothers. How many children does Mr. Smith have? Five, 3 daughters and 2 sons. Number 7. Pick the odd one out. Coconut. It's a fruit and not a vegetable like the rest. Number 8. Your favorite book is on a bookshelf. It is the 4th book from the right and the 6th book from the left. How many books are on the shelf? That's right. There are 9 books. Number 9. Pick the odd one out. Wind chime. It's not a wind musical instrument. Number 10. If Jane can paint 6 pictures a day, how many days will she need to paint 28 pictures? Five, with some time to spare on the 5th day. Here's a bonus question in the easy section. Pick the odd one out. Share your answer in the comments. Level 2. Hard. Number 11. I bought 4 dozen eggs. On the way home, 13 eggs broke. How many do I have left with me? "35 eggs." Number 12. What letter comes next in the sequence? The letter P. Number 13. Pick the odd one out. Carpenter. Not associated to an emergency service. Number 14. How old is James, if in 10 years, his age will be double of what his age was 5 years ago? James is 20 years old. Number 15. What's the next number in the series? That's right, 64. Number 16. Pick the odd one out. Cairo. It's the only city which is the capital of a country. Number 17. What is half of 1/10 of 2/3 of half of 2,100? "35, if you guessed right, then you are doing really good." Here's the last one. If the following words are arranged alphabetically, then which word will appear third? Gamer. How many did you get right? Share in the comments. Happy quizzing!